What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. This chair twirls and it squeaks.
I try to change for you, but you stay the same.
If you don't know me yet, you guys, if you're new to my channel, I am Hannah Dawson. I am owner and creator of Fitness Ministry, where I inspire women just like you to love the skin you're in through faith, fitness, and food. And I do this by teaching you how to train with a purpose, eat with a purpose, and how to have faith through the whole process. You know, I did the new category. It is called the Wellness Fitness category. It is brand spanking new to Canada. They do it a bit in the States, but it's mainly European and Brazil, from down in Brazil. That's what I don't know 100% of all of it yet, but it is between bikini and figure. I'm going to show you guys a picture of what it is, what wellness fitness is. So I'm really excited, you guys, because I'm really starting at a time when it is just new. It is just new to CPAs not bringing it until next year. So CBBA, I believe, CBBA or CBBF, I don't know the abbreviations properly. They have it. I did ABBA, Alberta Bodybuilding Association. I did provincials, all in the morning, you guys. So they're different. And then they're not affiliated with the CPA. The CPA is affiliated with the IFBB, which that was the direction I wanted to go in, but that's more to come. I'm going to tell you all about that towards the end. What did I place my show? You guys are going to have to watch to the end to find out. Women with bigger legs, bigger butts, and not fat, but just more thick and more muscular, but not quite figure. And so I'm really excited that I'm coming out at a time when it is kind of brand new. I did this show, you guys, like you know from my previous vlogs, without a coach. I had his guidance a little bit. I'd ask questions, but you know, I really just went into it. I didn't really prep my best for it. That's the total honest truth. I really struggled, you guys, with prep the whole time, on and off, especially with my eating. And I want to, that is why a coach is so important, having a coach. And I have some exciting news to share with you guys, so stay tuned to the end. That is why a coach is so important. They keep you on, the whole time, because it mentally gets hard. And I didn't have that really, so it mentally got really hard. But I did it. I finished it because you finish something you start. And that's something my husband has taught me. Something I never learned growing up. I always seen, starting things and not finishing them. And I did that quite a bit throughout my life in a lot of things. And so this thing, I wanted to give up so many times throughout the whole training process. I thought, I'm just not going to get my body that condition. I just want to eat this food. I just don't care. But then, I just remembered, you started this, you're going to see it right to the end, no matter how or what you place. You're just going to see it to the end. So you guys, we started the morning off. I got up. I was wired. I was up at 2:33. I had coffee. I ate my breakfast, which was chicken and cucumbers. And then I literally washed my face, did my hair, because I had to be at my makeup artist's house at 5:30 in the morning. So her name's Kate. She's amazing. I'm going to show you guys some pictures of her beautiful job on my face. She just did such a good job. She's amazing. So if you're from Edmonton, man, if you have any shows here, hit her up. She is amazing. I'll put all her social links in below to her Instagram and stuff. So we did makeup, and then once we were done that, we went right to the show. We had to get her sprayed, tanned again. The show, you guys, on the athletes meeting, there was only, I think, 60, not even 60 athletes. It was a small show. So yeah, it was the smallest show that I've ever done. It's only the third show I've ever done, but it was the smallest compared to 300 to 60. So lots of different categories. Um, it was lots of fun. The athletes meeting, we had to do get our suits checked, get our numbers. We had to get spray tanned the night before. The next day, I brought chicken and cucumbers and some water because you can't drink a lot of water. I had to stop drinking water at noon on Friday, and I didn't really drink again until we were finished the show. The show was really cool in the fact that they did both shows. So provincials was done the same. So they would judge you for the whatever it was, northerns. I was like started at the bottom, and then normally if you placed, you'd go to provincials. They did provincials the same morning. So they judged you for everything. So to be honest, the girls that I seen, there's this one girl, big shoulders, she's in it, and I'm just like, I just didn't know how I would place. These girls all had beautiful bodies, and I didn't know you needed to have different posing. So when I got called out onto stage first, and I just did my bikini posing, and I was so nervous. When I went to pose, my legs were shaking. I thought I was almost gonna fall over a few times. It was just so nerve-wracking. And then the other girls come out behind me, and they walked out to the center, did their pose, and walked like a catwalk almost. I'm like, totally bombed that. So after that, my confidence in how I was gonna place, I just had no idea. I wasn't feeling the most confident. I was so tired, I didn't care. My eyelashes, my eyes were allergic to the glue, so my eyes were like all burning and going red. And you can't drink, you can barely eat, so we were just waiting to, get through it. I made lots of friends, the bikini girls and stuff. So how did I do? What did I place? All right, you guys, so you guys, they called me out. They called all my height category out, and they said third place goes to, boom, not me. Then they're like, in second place goes to number 24, Hannah Dawson. I got second place, you guys. So because they did provincials right there, I get to go to nationals. So I have some things that I want to share with you guys about that. So I got second. That was awesome. I really wanted to get first. They hand out these like bronzed bikini girls, and I want one of those. Like, I want one of those so bad. I wanted one of those bikini girl statues. That's okay. I didn't place first. And you know what? The girl that won, she had awesome shoulders, and she was really confident on stage. You could tell that she'd done it before. So she rocked that stage with confidence, and that's really what it's about. You have to be so confident. And my posing, I didn't know there's different posing for the wellness, so it was just a big mess. So I'm surprised I even placed second, which it was good practice. But something happened to me. My husband placed third in his category. So awesome. And so when that happened, when we were done by 1 o'clock that afternoon, and we were so excited and just to be done and go and eat. We went and ate at Five Guys Burgers and Fries. We had the best lettuce wrapped burger, French fries. Then my girls, I promised them when we were done we'd go for marble slabs. So we had marble slab ice cream, but I was so tired it just wasn't as good as I thought it was going to be. So after that, me and my husband felt like we had the competing bug. We're like, okay, like we know that we didn't prep like we should have prepped, but it was just me and him, so we're like, man, if we can do that on barely prepping, what can we do if we actually have a really good coach? So we actually started researching coaches, you guys, because I thought, you know what, my dream is to go to the Arnold. That's just my dream, and I want a bikini girl statue. I want something. That's just my dream. I want to see how far I can go. I want to do a category that I can just get, you know, in phenomenal shape. I want to get to that point where you see those girls on Olympia stage and IFBB pros and you see their body's condition. That's just a personal goal of mine. I want to attain it. I want to work my butt off, get my diet on point to the point where I am like that. That's just a personal goal, personal hobby. So me and my husband started researching coaches, and we hired one. Her name is Helen Bouchard. She's one of the best in Canada. She's had lots of girls and like clients go IFBB pro. She's been on the Olympia stage. She's a bodybuilder. So she's awesome. And so yeah, I've signed with a year for her, you guys. So that's what I'm really excited to share with you guys. I'm going to try to take you through my whole year of really transforming my body and what I'm eating. And if this is something that you guys really want to see, like the things that you want to see, comment in the comment box below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and to subscribe. Hit that notification bell. If there's any other questions that you guys have for me, leave them in the comment box section below, or anything else is in the show notes as well, you guys. So we hired her. I kind of wanted to go over, you know, after we competed, like where I was at. That's really exciting. I felt really good with my body. You guys seen my last vlog where I was at mentally excited. And it was just weird, you guys. I just hit like this like blues. I just got the blues. Like after having a baby, when you feel like that postpartum blues a little bit the first week, that's how I started feeling. And I'm slowly coming out of it, but I felt really sad all week, you guys. And because I wanted to do this video before, but I'm like, what's wrong? Like, I feel really sad. Then I started eating lots of food that I shouldn't have been eating. Then I felt worse. And it was just this cycle. And I'm just trying to have a lot of grace for myself in the moment and just know that it's just post-week, you know, competition blues. And I think maybe it's normal. I'm not sure, but this is just me. And this is kind of what I've been going through. But meeting with Helen was really exciting, and she's amazing. Like her meal plans that she's done for me is like it is like all me and where she's gonna take me. And so I want to show you guys my goal. So this is person I really, you know, admire. She's not she's with the WBFF, but she's closer to my height. She doesn't have fake boobs, which I admire. It's just, you see lots of girls in the fitness industry with, you know, not totally themselves. So she's a person, I'll show you guys a picture, Hattie Boyle. She's like somebody that, like that body I feel like I could attain. And I know that I love my body how it is, but I feel like I have a similar type of body structure. That's my goal. That is my inspiration, you guys. That is my goal. That is where I want to take my body from now. So I'm going to show you guys a picture of me now, and then she's my inspiration. So if you guys want to see my whole journey of transforming my body to get like that from where it is now, give me a thumbs up. Say yes, you want to follow my journey. And you guys, I'll try to vlog as much as I can. I'm hoping that I can vlog and bring you guys with a workout that I do with Helen, so I can show you Helen. She is just, she's just one of a kind. She's just awesome. She's so nice. And I've had a few coaches from the last couple times I've competed, and she knows her stuff. That's exciting. And like her meal plan, I've never had a meal plan like this. She's all of the recipes for me and like my workouts, and I get to train with her in the gym. It's just unreal. I'm just really excited, you guys. I thank you for following my journey. Thank you for all your kind words. I'm just excited to see where this next little bit is gonna bring, and I just really wanted to share with you guys what show day was like. So stay tuned. I will be trying to keep you guys updated on my progress. If you haven't signed up to my newsletter, sign up to my newsletter, because I will be sharing stuff in there as well. And yeah, you guys, I'm just really excited. gonna see where this next year is gonna bring, and yeah, it's pretty cool. All right, you guys, thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye.